Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to set default value for date field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So, before that, here we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course, especially for a Salesforce administrator. And even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And here we also give a limited time of offers of 50% discount for the early birds, and you will get the lifetime access of the course, and you can buy this course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from the beginner to advanced and also have a 9 plus modules with a real business scenario and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos. And we also provide a course material like PDFs and solution and one to one doubt clear and interview preparation session, and also give certification of completion and provide the internship and placement opportunity also. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about the Salesforce administrator part. Now let's move to our topic. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are going to learn how to set the default value for date field in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then select the setup option. Our setup page is open, and here we select the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and here we can see lots of objects are present, and here we want to select the opportunity object. That's why we enter the opportunity in the search box and select the opportunity object. Our opportunity page is open, and under this page we can see the detail related to the opportunity, and here is a detail section, and under this section we can see fields and relationship option present. So we click on this fields and relationship option. Our fields and relationship page is open, and we want to create a new field. So we click on the new button, and we also set the default value for this field. So we click on the new button, and our field type page is open. Now here we select the date field. So we click on the date checkbox and then scroll to the bottom and hit the next button. Now enter the detail, and here we are entering the field label as close date, and then fill the field name which is automatically filled, and then scroll to the bottom, and here we can see there is a default value field present, and here under this field we set our default value, and here we set the default value as 2 days plus 15. This default value show that the our close date will default to 15 days from the current date. After setting the default value, we hit the next button. Now establish the field level security. Select the profiles to which we want to grant the added access to this field via field level security. So that's why we want to check the visible checkbox from, because we want to visible all the profiles. So that's why we hit the visible checkbox and hit the next button. Now add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be hidden as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. To change the location of this field on the page, we will need to customize the page layout and hit the save button. We come back to our field and relationship page, and here we go. We can see our close state field is created and shown under this field and relationship page. Now we click on the app launcher and enter the opportunity in the search box and select the opportunities. Our opportunity record page is open. Now here we can see the lots of records are already created, but we want to create the new one. So that's why we click on the new button. Our new opportunity dialog box is open, and under this dialog box we can see our close date is created successfully and the default value is set, and we can see our default value is 15 days from the current date. This show that we can set the default value for the date field also. Now move ahead and discuss about how to set the default value for date field in Salesforce Classic. So for this we first click on the profile picture and then select the switch to Salesforce Classic option. Our Salesforce Classic org is open. Now click on the username drop down arrow and select the setup option. Now enter the object in the quick find box and then hit the drop down arrow of customize and select the objects option. Our custom object page is open. Here we can see lots of custom objects are created, and here we want to select the project object. So that's why we click on the project object. Our project object page is open. Now scroll to the bottom. Here we can see there is a custom fields and relationship section present, and lots of fields are already created. But we want to create a new field, that's why we click on the new button. Our data type page is open. Now scroll to the bottom and select the date checkbox and hit the next button. Now enter the details. First fill the field label as a end date and then enter the field name which is automatically filled and then scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see there is a default value field present. In that inside this field we enter our default value. So here we entering the default value as today plus 30. This default value show that the current date and the date will automatically default to the 30 days later, and hit the next button. Now, establish the field level security. Select the profile to which we grant the added access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if we do not add it to the field level security. But we want to add the profile to the field level security. That's why we click on the visible checkbox and then hit the next button. Now we want to add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be hidden as the last field in the first two column section of these page layouts. The field will not appear on any pages if we do not select the layout. So click on the save button. Now we come back to our custom object project page, and when we scroll to the bottom, under the custom fields and relationship section, we can see our close date field is created and it has a default value date. Now click on the drop down arrow and select the project object. Here search the project object and then select the project object. Our project record page is open. Here we can see lots of records are already created, but we want to create a new one. That's why we click on the new button. Our new project page is open, and when we scroll to the bottom, here we go. We can see our end date field is present here, and inside this field, our default value is set, which is 30 days from the current date. So with this, we have learned how to set the default value for date field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.